Hi, today we'll be showing you this Eleanor's Diary Art Glitter Tattoo Kit. Let's first see what's in the box. The instructions, all you could ever want to know about temporary glitter tattoos and applying them. There's a whole bunch of cute stencils in here, and they are sticker stencils. In this kit, we've got all of the glitter colors. There's lots and lots of colors, as you can see. In order to help the application process, they've included lots of brushes, and the glue is absolutely needed to get the glitter to stick to the skin to get the beautiful tattoos. My daughters are going to be using this and loving their tattoos at the end. Let's do it. My daughters have already started digging into the colors and the stencils. Each stencil is a one-time use sticker. Pick your favorite and apply it. Press it down well to the skin. Fill in the stencil with glue.
30, 20.
You do need to wait 30 to 60 seconds after painting the glue on before removing the sticker. Once the glue goes clear, you can then pick your glitter colors and use them with the small brushes. Make your tattoo unique. It's fun if friends can do each other's tattoos, or as a parent, do your child's tattoo. Once you're happy with the application process, use the big brush to wipe off the excess glitter. Be gentle.
Cool. I like it.
The tattoo glitter is environmentally safe and will last about a week.
Red. I want this red.
Okay, I got my two colors.
These temporary glitter tattoos are so much fun and can be applied nearly anywhere. At any time, if you would like to remove the tattoos, simply use a little oil or alcohol on a soft cloth and gently rub. My daughters gave me 3 tattoos: a feather, a cat, and a bow tie. Many stencils, many glitter colors, and so much fun. Thanks for listening and watching our video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.